Moving to Red Deer, Alberta. 5 crucial facts to consider. Thinking about relocating to Red Deer, Alberta? This charming mid-sized city, located in the heart of the province, presents a unique blend of urban amenities and natural beauty. With its thriving community, diverse recreational opportunities, and a strong sense of local culture, Red Deer can be an appealing choice for many. However, before you take the leap, it is crucial to familiarize yourself with the factors that set this city apart. Understanding the climate, economic landscape, transportation options, safety considerations, and lifestyle offerings will help you evaluate whether Red Deer aligns with your expectations and needs. Each of these elements plays a significant role in shaping daily life, influencing everything from job opportunities to leisure activities. In this article, we will explore 5 essential points that you should consider before making your move to Red Deer. By being informed, you can ensure a smoother transition and a more fulfilling living experience in this vibrant city. Let's dive into these crucial insights to better prepare you for your potential new home. 1. Weather patterns. Expect the unexpected. Alberta is renowned for its unpredictable weather patterns, and Red Deer exemplifies this reputation. Residents frequently refer to the climate as bipolar, a term that captures the often dramatic fluctuations in weather that can occur within a single day. In Red Deer, it is not uncommon to start your morning with bright sunshine and mild temperatures, only to have a sudden cold front roll in by the afternoon, bringing rain, wind, or even snow. This variability can be particularly surprising for newcomers who may not be accustomed to such rapid changes. For instance, you might leave home in a light jacket, only to find yourself reaching for a heavy coat by lunchtime. The city's location in central Alberta contributes to this erratic weather. It sits at the convergence of different climatic zones, which can lead to swift shifts in temperature and conditions. Residents often joke about needing to dress in layers, as it's essential to be prepared for anything, from warm, sunny spells to chilly gusts and unexpected storms. Tornadoes, a rare concern. A common question is whether tornadoes are frequent in Red Deer. The short answer is no. While tornadoes are not usual, they can occur. For instance, a significant tornado struck just south of Red Deer on Canada Day, becoming one of the largest recorded in Canadian history. However, such events are rare. Most people living in Red Deer will never see a tornado in their lifetime. Hailstorms, be prepared. Hailstorms can also be a concern. The region is known for its hail, particularly from Macomb to High River, which is referred to as Hailstorm Alley. While most hail is small and does not cause damage, larger storms can lead to significant issues for vehicles and property. It is advisable to have a garage or covered area for your vehicle to mitigate potential damage. Winter weather, long and harsh. Winter in Red Deer typically begins around Halloween and lasts through March. Residents should be prepared for cold temperatures, often dropping to -30 degrees Celsius or lower. While many people continue with their daily activities despite the cold, it can be challenging. The dry climate may feel more bearable compared to other provinces, but the long winter months can still be taxing. 2. Cost of living versus economic climate. Many individuals are drawn to Alberta for its attractive cost of living, which often includes lower housing prices, affordable utilities, and reasonable overall expenses compared to other Canadian provinces. This financial appeal can make Alberta, including cities like Red Deer, an appealing option for families, young professionals, and retirees alike. However, it is crucial to delve deeper into the province's political and economic environment, as these factors can significantly influence daily life and long-term satisfaction in your new home. In recent years, Alberta has experienced a notable shift toward a more conservative political climate. This change has been marked by the election of conservative leaders and policies that emphasize fiscal responsibility, resource development, and a reduced role for government intervention in the economy. For some, this political landscape aligns with their personal beliefs and values, promoting a sense of community and shared priorities. However, for others, particularly those who may hold more progressive views, this shift can lead to feelings of disconnect or even frustration. Issues such as healthcare, education, and environmental policies are often at the forefront of political discussions in Alberta, and the prevailing conservative stance can shape the direction of these critical areas. Moreover, the economic environment in Alberta is closely tied to the province's resource-based economy, particularly oil and gas. While this sector has historically provided significant job opportunities and economic stability, fluctuations in global oil prices can lead to economic uncertainty. This can affect job security and the overall economic climate, further complicating the decision to move to Alberta. When considering a relocation to Red Deer, it is essential to research and understand the political dynamics and economic conditions in the region. Engaging with local communities, attending town hall meetings, and following local news can provide valuable insights into how these factors may impact your life in Alberta. By staying informed, you can make a more educated decision about whether this province aligns with your values and lifestyle expectations. Job market insights. Red Deer's economy is primarily blue-collar, with key industries including healthcare, agriculture, and construction. If you are seeking employment in the technology or IT sectors, it may be more challenging to find opportunities in Red Deer compared to larger cities like Calgary or Edmonton. Make sure to research the job market relevant to your skills before making the move. 3. Public transportation, a car-dependent city. One significant aspect of living in Red Deer is the public transportation system, which plays a crucial role in how residents navigate the city. Unlike larger urban areas such as Calgary and Edmonton, which boast extensive and varied transit options including light rail and rapid transit systems, Red Deer primarily relies on a standard bus system. While this setup provides basic connectivity, many residents find it lacking in several key areas. Limited route options. The bus routes in Red Deer are generally straightforward, but they often do not cover the city as comprehensively as residents might hope. Many routes require transfers, meaning that passengers may need to switch buses multiple times to reach their destinations. This can lead to longer travel times and added inconvenience, especially for those who are commuting to work or school. Frequency of service. Another common complaint is the frequency of bus service. Many residents have noted that buses do not run as often as they would like, particularly during off-peak hours. This can be frustrating for those who rely on public transportation for their daily commutes or errands. If you miss a bus, the wait for the next one can be substantial, making it difficult to plan your day efficiently. Accessibility and coverage. While the bus system does serve many neighborhoods, there are areas of Red Deer that are less accessible, particularly for individuals with mobility challenges. Some residents have pointed out that certain bus stops are not conveniently located, which can pose difficulties for those who might have to walk longer distances to access public transit. This issue is compounded during the winter months when weather conditions can make walking less safe or comfortable. Alternative transportation solutions. Due to these limitations, many residents find that having a personal vehicle is essential for navigating the city effectively. For those who do not own a car, alternative transportation methods such as biking or walking can be viable, especially in the warmer months. Red Deer features several interconnected green spaces and trails that promote outdoor activities, but these options may not be practical during the colder months. Community initiatives. In response to some of these challenges, there have been community discussions about improving public transportation in Red Deer. Local advocacy groups and residents often engage with city officials to express their concerns and suggest enhancements to the system. These discussions highlight the community's desire for a more robust and efficient transit network that better meets the needs of all residents. While Red Deer's public transportation system provides a basic level of service, many residents find it insufficient for their commuting needs. Understanding these limitations is essential for anyone considering a move to Red Deer, as it can significantly impact your daily life and overall experience in the city. 4. Crime rate, understanding safety. When researching Red Deer, you may come across various reports about crime in the city. It is essential to approach these claims with a critical eye. While crime exists, most incidents are related to petty theft rather than violent crime. Crime myths debunked. Red Deer is not the dangerous place that some online sources suggest. Like any city, there are areas with higher crime rates, but overall, Red Deer is considered a safe community. Engaging with local residents and law enforcement can provide a clearer picture of safety in different neighborhoods. 5. Lifestyle and entertainment, a mixed bag. Red Deer offers a variety of activities, but some residents may find it lacking in vibrant nightlife options. The city has seen changes in its entertainment landscape, particularly post-pandemic. Nightlife and social scene. Once known for its lively nightlife, Red Deer now has limited options, with only one nightclub remaining. This may disappoint younger individuals seeking an active social scene. However, the city does feature some excellent breweries and lounges for those who prefer a more relaxed atmosphere. Family-friendly environment. Red Deer is well suited for families, featuring parks, community events, and recreational activities. If you enjoy outdoor activities, you will find many options to explore. However, if you are looking for diverse dining experiences or extensive nightlife, you may find the city somewhat lacking. Conclusion: is Red Deer right for you? Moving to Red Deer, Alberta, can be a rewarding experience, but it is essential to weigh the pros and cons. Understanding the weather, cost of living, job market, public transportation, crime rates, and lifestyle options will help you make an informed decision. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights about living in Alberta. We encourage you to leave comments below with your thoughts or questions about moving to Red Deer. Your engagement helps us create better content tailored to your interests. Thank you for watching.